Hi friends, today we learn the C sharp. So first of all we have to know the C sharp. So basically C sharp is pronounced C sharp. So if you observe the first row, what we have to pronounce C hyphen sharp, C sharp. It is an object oriented programming language. So we can discuss it later coming sessions. So what is object oriented programming? Now the C sharp is created by Microsoft. So Microsoft is an organization which is created the C sharp to write a program in .NET framework. The first version was released in the year 2002. So C sharp it is released in the year 2002. That is the starting. That means initially they introduced C sharp in 2002. Now the latest version C sharp 11. That means every year they are going to give some new features in C sharp. That means C sharp 1, C sharp 2, C sharp 3, C sharp 3.1, 4.1 like that. They adding some extra new features and they releasing the new versions. That means version means they adding extra features. They not changing the code in a C sharp. So now currently 2022 we have a C sharp 11 version. That means previously they released a lot of versions, they introduced a lot of features C sharp. So now currently what is the version? C sharp 11 is the latest version. They released in November 2022. And if you see C sharp used for, that means what is the use of C sharp and what we can develop by using the C sharp programming. So by using C sharp program, we can develop mobile applications, we can develop desktop applications, we can develop web applications and web services and websites and gaming applications. So everyone have mobiles in your hand. Now you have lot of applications in your mobile. So those applications we can develop by using the C sharp programming. Now C sharp it is a program and it is a language. So this language we are used in .NET framework. So C sharp is not a .NET, it is not a framework. C sharp is a language. By using this C sharp language, we have to write program in a .NET framework. So with the help of C sharp, we can develop mobile applications, desktop applications, web applications, different types of applications we can develop by using the C sharp program. So why we have to use the C sharp? Why use C sharp? Okay. So it is one of the most popular programming language in the world. So what is it mean? In the world, lot of organizations using the C sharp. Okay, so that is why it is the most popular programming language, and it is easy to learn and simple to use. For example, anyone want learn the C sharp programming and he can understand easily because in C sharp they are giving very small English words to understand the programmer, and anyone can learn the C sharp. It is simple to learn and it has a huge community support. So what does mean? What is the community support? For example, when I'm writing the C sharp programming, I stuck somewhere. I don't know how to write the logic or how to fix the issue. I want someone support to resolve that issue, or I want someone support to write a logic. So I need some people support to solve my issues. So if I post my issue in a Google, there are a lot of the people ready to give you answer. That means that is a community support. So if you face any issue while writing the programming, so lot of the people ready to help us and we can easily fix any issue. C Sharp is object-oriented programming language. So what is this object-oriented programming and what is the use of this one? We can discuss it in a next coming session, which gives a clear structure to programs. What does mean? So whenever we are writing the program, so we have a predefined syntax, how to create a class, how to create a list, how to create arrays. That means that clearly defined the some structures to use programming .NET and allows code to be reused. For example, I written some piece of code. I want to use that in multiple places. So I can use the same code in multiple places. That is the reused. So C# provide the reusability code. Previously we have a structures, but those we cannot reuse and doesn't support the object-oriented programming structures. We can discuss all this object-oriented programming and structures and how to declare class or variables everything in C# in coming session. So next we will discuss on garbage collector everything in the next video. So if you don't understand anything, please comment below. I will make one more video. So thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel.